Hi, my name is Vitaly and I'm someone that helps people with affiliate marketing. And in this video, what I'm going to be showing you is 10 affiliate marketing tools that you should be using if you are a beginner to this business. I help people out a lot with the subject, and whenever I make videos, I show them my income stats to show that I know what I'm talking about. Here are some of the income reports that I have. And I have to show this to people in case they need proof that I actually know what I'm talking about. So now that I showed you that, let me just say that if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, the best place to start, and I say this again and again in the videos that I make, is with a blog and a YouTube channel. These are the two most important things that you can have in your affiliate marketing business, whether you're a complete beginner, whether you're intermediate, whether you're advanced. Because these two platforms are very beginner friendly. They are things that you can get free traffic on and experiment with, and it's a great way to build your business without having to spend so much on more expensive tools out there like ClickFunnels, Ahrefs, SEMrush, tools which are good, but they're far more better for advanced people. And my personal opinion is you don't need those advanced tools. I don't even use them. I use many of the tools that I'm going to provide you on this list, and the most important thing that you need to understand is that it doesn't really matter how many affiliate tools you have at your disposal. At the end of the day, what makes you successful in affiliate marketing is what kind of content you create on a niche that you know something about. So the common example that I usually use is mountain bikes. Let's say you love mountain bikes and you decide to build a niche business in affiliate marketing on this particular subject. You're going to use two platforms, which is your blog and your YouTube channel, to create content on where you talk about mountain bikes, where you talk about how to ride them, how to choose the best mountain bike if you're a beginner, intermediate, where you review different bikes. The content that you create on your blog is going to be written, it's going to be typed out with images, and the content that you create on YouTube on mountain bikes is going to be perhaps you recording yourself on video, showing off your bike, or helping people choose what kind of bike you recommend that they ride, or perhaps doing some kind of first-person footage on a GoPro camera while you're riding down mountain bike trails. The point is, the content that you create on these two platforms is really what's going to help you. And the tools that I'm going to tell you about right now are going to help expand that business. So it doesn't matter if you have 100 tools, 1,000 tools at your disposal. The tools aren't as important as the content that you create. And I really want you to understand the difference there, because a lot of people, they think, oh, I'll just buy some tools and my affiliate business will get built on its own. It's not how it works. It's total nonsense. And if anyone's telling you that, they're lying to you. So let me get down into the nitty-gritty of what these tools are. So first things first, I'm going to show you that this is a list that I made. And by the way, I left a link below this video to my website where I help people out with affiliate marketing. So if you're someone that's lost on where to start, what to do, I really recommend you check out the link underneath this video, because I can help you out with that. Anyway, moving forward. First things first, you need to have a WordPress site. So this site that I have, it's called helpinghandaffiliate.com, the one that you're going to see if you click on the link below. This is a WordPress website. Second thing is, you need a theme which is great on your WordPress website, and I highly recommend one called GeneratePress. It's a template, it's free, and you can install it to your WordPress site, and this is actually the template that I have on my website. So you can see my website it's not really complicated at all. It's actually really simple to read, really easy to read. And if you have a website, you want that to be the case. You want simplicity to be what gets people to the site. Too often people try to create awesome imagery and they try to, put all these flashy things on their website, and it really distracts readers from doing that. You want people to read your content. You want to make that easy, and simple themes like GeneratePress will help you do that. In addition, they also load really quickly, and it's good for having good speeds on Google, which also helps with rankings for your blog. Third thing is, you're going to want to have a plugin called PrettyLink, because PrettyLink is basically a free plugin that you install to your WordPress site, where if you're promoting something like an affiliate product, which you will be, you want to know how many clicks that link gets, and tools like PrettyLink will help you with that. Moving forward, Google Webmaster Tools. So Google Webmaster Tools is basically a program that Google made to help website owners get better information about how their website is doing with Google. So every website that I have, which is a blog website, and whose intent is to rank on Google and get more traffic from Google, I always connect it to Google Webmaster Tools, and Google Webmaster Tools will tell me things like what keywords my site is ranking for, how well the website is doing with Google, and it's basically like a progress report of, hey, this is how your website is ranking and doing on Google. So it's good to have that tool. It's free. Next is, you want to use a program called Canva. Now, Canva is basically a tool that lets you customize and create your own beautiful images, and the thumbnail that you use to click on this particular video I made on Canva. In fact, the very image that you see over here, I also made on Canva. Let me show you what this looks like. This is what Canva looks like. It's a free program. They do have an optional upgrade, but I prefer the free option because you have so many customization options. You can load your own images. You can basically create your own images and use their default images to also create your own. There's a lot of possibilities there, and you want to be able to create beautiful images, professional looking images, because that attracts eyes. So the thumbnail that got you here, you clicked it for a reason. Maybe you thought it looked good, and it was actually a pretty simple picture, but it worked. It got the job done. So while I do say that you shouldn't use imagery too much, you have to use at least a little bit of it to get people to your site. And images are one of the ways to do it. And Canva is one of the best programs to do that with. It's free. It's awesome for affiliates that are beginners. I highly recommend it. Moving forward. Let's see what the next one is. The next one is a basic YouTube channel. So if you have a Google account, you can create a YouTube channel for free and start loading your videos up there. I know you might be shy if you're watching this and you're a beginner to affiliate marketing, and it's something that takes time to get used to. I wasn't always showing my face like I am to you right now, but if you really want to build a good affiliate marketing business, you're doing yourself a disservice if you don't have a YouTube channel, because it's a great way to get more reach and get more people to visit you. Click on your affiliate offers. You can do direct affiliate marketing by linking to your affiliate offer in the description of the videos that you create. You might not even have to have a website. I do recommend it in accordance with that. I typically create a YouTube channel and a blog, and I link them together in addition to doing affiliate marketing with that. It helps build the business as a whole. Moving forward, a Yeti microphone. So right now I'm talking to you through a microphone that's up here, and it's called the Yeti mic. There's a lot of different microphones out there, but essentially you want to sound clear and concise when you're speaking. And one of the ways to do that is to have a good microphone. A friend of mine a while back recommended that I get the Yeti microphone, and I have not looked back ever since. If you can hear me clearly and you can understand what I'm saying, a huge part of that is because I have a Yeti mic. It helps you create better quality videos where people can actually hear and understand what you're saying. So having that kind of tool is really important. It's about 150, 200 bucks. So it's optional, and it's something to consider. I highly recommend it. Moving on, next one is a Logitech camera for recording yourself. So webcams are a huge deal because, I mean, how many YouTubers don't use a webcam? There's so many different options around. I personally am talking to you right now through what's known as the Logitech Capture, and I'm perfectly fine with that. If you can see my picture clearly, it's really a great camera. And one of the things this camera also does is I can switch between looking at my face to, for example, switching to my screen like I am right now, or perhaps switching and seeing the screen and my face at the same time. So being able to do that kind of stuff with the click of a button is possible with the camera that I'm talking to you through right now. There's other cameras that do it, but the camera that I'm talking to you right now is really highly rated. I have been very, very happy with it. I've been creating YouTube videos with it ever since I got it, and it's a really great tool for beginners. It's about somewhere around $100, I believe. The link below the video will take you to more information about it. Moving on, because we're almost done here, your phone. So this is something you should have by now. It's a smartphone. It doesn't really matter what kind of smartphone you have. Obviously, the better quality smartphone you have, the better it plays a role. But a huge part of affiliate marketing, depending on what kind of niche you're in, is promoting products where perhaps you're outdoors. And let me just give you an example. So I have a shoe here. This is a brand new shoe. It's a trail running shoe. So if you were promoting this, one way that you could promote it is film yourself on camera running through dirt, and just so people can see how good it is, how great the traction is, and so forth. It doesn't really make sense for me to use something like the Logitech camera to record myself outside. You see where I'm going with that? So sometimes you can do affiliate marketing on just your regular smartphone device, and it's an affiliate tool, a potential affiliate tool that many people overlook. So don't overlook that potential. You already have that tool at your disposal, whether you know it or not. And finally, the last one is Camtasia. So Camtasia is basically a video editing software that costs about $300, $350. It's something that you might want to get later on down the line if you are creating a YouTube channel and you want to kind of go further with it. And I'm just going to briefly show you what Camtasia looks like. This is a preview of what Camtasia looks like, and what I basically do is whatever videos that I have, I load them into Camtasia and they appear right here. So let's say I want to put 2 or 3 different videos and put them together. Camtasia is a program that's going to help me do that. In addition to that, I can also put like annotations and messages on the video. There's a lot of editing options, and it's very beginner friendly. Yes, there's obviously a learning curve, but out of all the programs that I've seen and the programs that my friends who are also affiliate marketers use, Camtasia is usually the first option and first recommendation that they have. But anyway, With Camtasia, you can load up the video over here, splice it together, and then you can put the whole video up here, and then afterwards you can put it up on YouTube and so on and so forth. It basically helps you edit videos and make them better quality. You can cut out pauses, or if you say too much or and you want to cut that out, the Camtasia is really a software that's going to help you do that, among other things. I mean, I'm just touching the tip of the iceberg here. Camtasia has a lot of editing options, and I'm still mastering it to this day. So that pretty much summarizes the 10 tools that I recommend that you get. I'm going to leave a few links underneath this video. The first one is going to take you to my website over here, which is not just going to explain these tools in greater details and why they're great for affiliate marketing beginners, but also if you're interested in coaching, I have a coaching page over here which you can check out as well. And this is really going to explain how I help people out with affiliate marketing if that's what you're looking for. Remember the main message of what I said when I started this video, which was it's the content that you create on your blog and on your YouTube channel that determines the success of your affiliate business. The tools, such as the ones that I recommended on this video, they're complementing your content, okay? So don't ever think that tools are going to make or break your business. They help with it. It's the content that you create that really determines the success of it. The tools complement that. So for example, if you have a good hosting account and your site loads up quickly, that's an example of a tool that works really well. And by the way, all that stuff, hosting and all the tools that I just mentioned for building a full-time affiliate business, that's also explained on my coaching page. So don't worry if you're like, where do I start? Which tools do I get? That's all explained in the link underneath this video. And in addition to that, I will also include a few other YouTube videos that I made on things like doing YouTube affiliate marketing and so forth for extra resources. If you have any questions about anything that I said in this video, you are more than welcome to ask me that. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you want to subscribe, that's totally up to you. I'm not someone that cares so much about that stuff. I just care about giving out quality content, and I certainly hope that I did that for you in this video. So thanks for watching and have a great one.